Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the rising diplomatic drama between Zimbabwe and Zambia. Buckle up, because this one's a roller coaster. So let's start with the basics. Zimbabwean President Mnangagwa recently threw some serious shade at Zambia, accusing its security sector of being bankrolled by the United States. Yep, you heard that right. These comments were made during a chat with none other than Putin. Talk about stirring the pot. And it doesn't stop there. Zambian President Hichilema fired back, criticizing Zimbabwe's recent elections as neither free nor fair. This wasn't just his opinion. The Southern African Development Community, or SADC, had similar concerns. The result? Relations between these two neighbors have nosedived. Now let's zoom out a bit. Historically, Zimbabwe and Zambia have been pretty tight, but these recent events are shaking things up. With the two countries bickering, their foreign affairs ministries have their work cut out for them to smooth things over. It's not just about them, though. This spat reflects bigger geopolitical dynamics in southern Africa. And the plot thickens. Hichilema decided to skip the SADC summit in Zimbabwe. Instead, he opted for a video address. This move was a big deal, overshadowing Mnangagwa's meticulously planned event. Critics praised Hichilema for taking a stand against authoritarianism and Mnangagwa's human rights record. Bold move, right? But not everyone sees it that way. Mnangagwa's supporters slammed Hichilema, calling him a puppet of Western powers. Ouch! The incident pretty much sums up the growing regional tensions and the challenges facing SADC. So what does this mean for the future? Well, ongoing dialogue is crucial to mend these frayed ties, but one thing's for sure, Southern Africa's geopolitical landscape is shifting, and we'll be here to keep you updated every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into global politics. Until next time, stay informed.